Okay, guys, so this is day 23 for my trading journey, trading challenge. I just made like something like $30 profit or $35 profits. I don't remember, not so sure about it. I have a trade going on, so there's a little tiny trade actually going on. I managed to actually get a little bit confused during my trading day. So basically, I trade the Dow Jones, the US 30 with zero point 0.1 contracts. So it's just a test phase. If I manage to pass this challenge, I will be probably trading even more. For a 10K challenge, I will be trading a 10K account, and I will try to do my best. So basically, that's the idea. So to switch full time with this. So I'm gonna be sure my eyes are literally burning after today. So I've been on the PC for more than 12 hours or 11 hours because I do two jobs. So I will show you in the meantime while I'm in a live trade now the trades I actually took, the confusion I had, and so I will be giving you some insights of my reasoning. I didn't trade at all yesterday because it was Sunday, and the day before yesterday was Saturday. So I just took a break. So my challenge just lost 2 days because I should have been back testing those days. I didn't back test, didn't do anything. So basically, I took a break. So yeah, the challenge is still active. So I just lost 2 days, and I didn't back test during those 2 days. So that's 2 days lost because I also backtest when it's off days and when the market is closed. So that allows me to improve my trading ability, and I increase my watch time with the charts because the more I watch the charts, the easier it becomes for me to understand the market or something like that. So let's get to the charts. I will show you here what I'm doing by now. I'm actually trading euros. So let's get to the action. So it seems like this trade actually took off, but in the meantime, I will try to show you guys the basically what I did with this little with this little pencil over here. And so basically, I traded today these trades. I took these trades over here. So this morning, I basically just woke up. The trade didn't work at all. I just showed it here. It was like minus $5 or $4. I don't remember. My account was at 2,000 euros, 2,100 euros. Now it's 2,139 euros at the moment. But yes, we'll get to that if it doesn't do anything crazy over here. So basically, I had some trend lines and supports and resistances and shit like that. The trade went pretty bad, so I shorted right here. Then I closed the trade right here. I just took a little profit, like 4 euros, 5 euros. I don't remember. It was pretty sick. So what happened is that I went long over here because my instinct, basically I trade on my instinct over here. Basically my instinct was saying just, hey, go long. And so I went long, heard my instinct, it started going long. Then I longed here also, like a double long over here. Just I had up to 3 positions by now. So that's my main maximum. I got three tires. First tire is actually a simple tire. I get into a trade, I wait for the trade to work it out. If it ain't working out, I don't give a damn. If it starts like pushing and skyrocketing, I just add to it. If it bounces a little bit or it just keeps on skyrocketing like it's the market opening, I just add a fuckload of positions on it, like up to three positions. So that becomes a zero point 0.3 contract trade. And that allows me to actually capitalize on those big moves. But it's also pretty risky. So that's the way I'm trading right now. So I head over here and it actually goes up. Then I close here because I see the market is not working anyway. And I'm not super confident with this trade. So I'm pretty sick of it. I just gave up and I'm okay, fuck it. I don't give a fuck. So I just gave up on that. So yeah. So the market goes on and it still goes up. So it reaches this point. I was working here and the market was not open yet because it was pre-market hours. It was like 2 hours before the market opened. So basically, I didn't do anything over here, just lost it. My instinct was just saying, just don't do anything. And then I see this little pre-market hour. I was pretty much not super sure where the market would go. I had like this tiny trend like this, and it was pointing upward, and it was just like, yeah, it started breaking through, and as soon as it broke through, I just went super high on these positions, hoping for it to actually tumble down. It started tumbling down, and then just came here, and I just came out, and I just took like $25 profit. I don't remember 25. Yeah, I'll say dollars, but it's euros, so fuck that. You know what I mean. So I took a bunch of profits over here. It bounced it back up. I shorted again. I was not so sure. Just came out here, lost a little bit of money. Then I shorted again over here because I saw it breaking through a trend line. It didn't work at all. Just started trembling back up, and I was super confused. So I tried to short again here. Then went up. Then we're short. I took lots of positions over here. I lost over like 10, $15 or something like that over here because I was pretty confused. I didn't know what I was doing. So I was just trading pretty bad instead of just getting out and just wait for it. As soon as I saw this little candle over here just breaking through in a really nice way, I just went in with two positions. It started going good. I don't remember if it was two positions or three positions, but it went pretty good. So gave me back all the money I lost. And then I just got out here on the lowest point, so it was pretty sick. But I took anyway a kind of pretty chunk of profit. So yeah, and I just went out. So the trend, just the trend kept going on. So I broke this big old trend line I got over here, and as soon as I saw it breaking through, now I'm in this position. So I'm in a live trade by now, just waiting for it to actually skyrocket up. And it seems like it's skyrocketing. It's almost it's 20 8:30 11:30. Yeah, it's like 2 hours and a half before the market closes. So I'll try to stay in this trade and see if I can ride the trend. And if the trend just doesn't go, I'll give up. I'll give up. If it actually comes back over here, I'll be giving it up. I'll try to stay in the trade if this does this and then just goes up and just see what happens. Ideally, what I want to see is I want to see a candle, so a bar, just a trade bars, just going up, and that's all I want. I just want it to go up, like literally. If I see the trade losing power, as I see it losing power over here, I just stick on the trade. Like I stay literally in the. I mean, I stick with the chart. I don't take my eyes off the charts because if I take my eye off the charts, I just lose the feeling of the price because if the price moves pretty fast, it gives me a sign. If it moves pretty slow, it gives me another sign. So I have to understand my feelings with the market. So if I get in tune with the market, it becomes easy for me to understand if I have to close a position otherwise or not. So yeah. So this is pretty much it. It's the way I trade. Just trade trend lines, supports, and resistances, and that's super easy because basically, or I mean, it's super hard and it's easy but hard at the same time because you have to listen to yourself, and you only do that by understanding the market. I mean, understanding yourself and just seeing how you trade. And I've been using a simulator for real-time trading because when I'm off the charts, what I want to do is I always want to keep myself on the gist of it. Otherwise, I would be losing the gist of it. Like I have to keep on trading every day because I can see that if I didn't trade at all, like for these 2 days, like Sunday and Saturday, and it was not so good because you lose the gist of it. Like it's like being in tune with and keeping the practice. You know what I mean? Like if you don't throw punches for a whole week, it'll be different when you come back. Like I used to box, and it was kind of like the same. Like you stop boxing for a week, and it seems like you never boxed before. So you want to keep on boxing every day. That's something you want to create an automation for. Like I used to do that like for 2 years and a half. So this is the same feeling I get when I used to box. I used to like I didn't do anything for like a week, and when I came back, it was strange. It was super strange, and it was the same like during this time of the day today, and when I was over here. So the gist of it is just don't lose the practice. You have to keep on practicing every day, just a little bit of it, but just you have to do that. So this is what I'm telling myself. This is the journey. Obviously, this video is just a journal. So yeah, who cares if you see that or not? Maybe this challenge will be off in 90 days, or maybe it will be the best challenge ever in 90 days for me, and I will start trading real cash because basically 2,000 euros is just $2,000 is just not is nothing. Like it's not money. It's just nothing. It's just for practice. Yeah. So I have still like 77 days left to go, I guess, because it's 90 days minus 23. So it's like 80, 70. No, I got 67 days left to go. So it's a long journey, 2 months and 7 days yet to go. And we'll see what happens. So the first month seems to be pretty nice. We don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen when I get to 10K and I start trading with 10K. So it's just the way it works. You never know. So we will try to make the best out of it. And this is it. This is my trading journey. This is a live trade. I will keep on trading now. I'll close the video. I hope you guys enjoy this and maybe this actually brings value to someone. So see you later.